Hey, welcome back to another video of eText. In this video, we are going to learn how to change chat style in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to character.ai. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, go to your profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen, and click on Settings. Make sure that you are on Preference tab. From here, you can choose between default, classic and dense mode. Let me show you the example of these modes. Go to the conversation and go to settings. I am currently on classic mode. As you can see that the conversation are in the left side of the screen. On the default mode, you can see that the conversation is on left and in the right. And in the dense mode, everything will be on the left side and it will be more dense. So that is how you can change chat style in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.